Many car owners maintain their engines, but neglect bodywork, not realizing that dents and scratches hurt a vehicle's look and value. Professional dent repair keeps your car's value high by making a great first impression and showing it's well maintained. Visible dents can lead to lower offers, buyer suspicion of hidden issues, and diminished insurance or dealership assessments. Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) is an affordable way to fix dents without repainting, keeping the original finish and saving time while being eco-friendly. While DIY kits exist, improper use can worsen damage, so professional services are recommended. Expert technicians bring specialized tools, experience, and warranties, ensuring high-quality, seamless results. Leased vehicles returned with dents often incur steep penalties, while insurance policies may cover professional repairs, simplifying claims. Beyond looks, dents can compromise safety by weakening structural elements, affecting sensors, or hiding stress fractures. Additionally, untreated dents expose metal to moisture, risking rust and corrosion that become expensive to fix. Ultimately, professional dent repair safeguards your investment by preserving aesthetics, maintaining value, preventing further damage, and ensuring safety. Whether you plan to keep, sell, or return your vehicle, addressing dents promptly is a smart, cost-effective choice that protects both pride of ownership and financial return. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.